Presenting NPM's automatic volumetric liquid filling machine, a GMP-compliant system designed for precision and reliability. Built with SS316 contact parts, it ensures durability, hygiene and ±1% filling accuracy. The food-grade Delrin conveyor chain reduces operational noise, while a simple push-button panel makes operation easy. With syringe sets, it handles 2 ml to 500 ml fills. Diving nozzles ensure smooth filling of frothy liquids. Addition of float tank, stirrer for suspensions, level controlling and nitrogen purging for sensitive products makes machine more user-friendly. Smart optional interlocks enhance performance. Available in 5 models from 10 to 120 bottles per minute, and heavy-duty versions filling up to 1000 ml in one stroke. Suitable for round and flat shapes, PET, glass and HDPE bottles. NPM Machinery Private Limited, presently futuristic.